Hello. The conduction lab that we are going to do is the one that will take the most time today. I'm just going to share the full screen so that you can see the setup here. All right. There. All right, so I've got two blocks set up. I have a piece of foil that I cut to be a little bit big so I could tape it down to the side here. And I also folded over some, so this is kind of doubled layer. It just makes it a little bit more sturdy so it doesn't droop down in the middle. And then I also have it taped over here as well. I want to make sure that I have enough room for the candle to be underneath it on this side and not be directly under the first chocolate chip. Okay, you want to have a little space there. So make sure that it's long enough where you can put 5 or 6 chocolate chips here without them being right over the flame. All right. At this point, you are going to start your timer as soon as you light your candle. All right. So if I get this all set up, I am going to light my candle right here. It's at this point right now that I am going to start my timer. And what I'm going to do is I will grab some toothpicks. Okay, so you'll get some toothpicks. And I'm going to be watching my timer and kind of feeling this chocolate chip here. And as soon as it starts to get really melty, which it's already starting to because the heat is conducting up this aluminum foil, right? And it's going to melt this first one first, and look at it, it's already getting kind of soupy. So I'm going to take this one off at this point because I don't want it to burn. Oops. I'm going to eat it. Nom, nom, nom. And I'm going to keep it going. I want to keep the timer going because I want to see how long it will take to melt the next one, and the next one, and the next one. I'm just going to clean off the chocolate here because I'm just doing my part to make sure that it doesn't burn and get my classroom all smoky. You got to make sure of that, so you got to make sure you eat it all. And this one's already starting to get a little bit melty as well. Okay. Please always, when you're doing this lab, be very mindful of where the open flame is. Be watching it. Make sure that your hair is out of the way. Make sure that it is away from any loose sleeves. All right. And make sure that it is not directly under one of the chocolate chips. Okay. And then there are some more questions, I believe, at the end of that portion as well to finish up your lab. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.